Ladies, gather around. We need to talk. And I mean talk. Cause baby, I've been watching these men real closely lately, and I'm convinced some of them want a boyfriend and not a girlfriend. Like, when did men start acting like the prize at the end of the game show? They out here talking about,
I deserve to be spoiled too.
They want to be chased, validated. They want their toenails painted. They want us to bring them flowers just because. Like, sir, do you want a haircut or a hug? Because I'm confused. And the way they gossip. Ooh, chat. You can't tell me some of these men ain't sitting in a group chat dropping tea like it's hot. Talking about,
I don't argue with females.
but baby, you've been arguing since 8 a.m. You the first one in the comments and the last one to leave work. And the craziest part about it all is they swear they know what women want, but don't even know how to check the oil in their own damn car.
She don't know how to treat a man.
No, baby. We just don't know how to babysit a so-called grown one. So ladies, sit back, grab your coffee or your wine, because your cousin Luck got time today. We about to talk about these fake-ass alphas who turned into soft girls with the microphone. And at this point, why the only thing they leading is each other to brunch. What's poppin', peeps? I'm Lady Luck. For those of you who don't know, I speak about real issues in our society with a twist of comedy. Let's dive right in. This is EDS, Everyday Situations, Motivation with a Twist of Comedy. Motherfuckers out here spending their light bill money on shoes. I hope they glow in the dark, bitch. Can we please bring back $10 Chinese food, $550 apartments, and $20 full tanks? You know what I noticed? Only black people think that deleting Facebook and Instagram is getting their life together. How about a read a book challenge, fix your credit challenge, post who's hiring challenge, mentor a youth challenge, support small business challenge? Something else I noticed. Y'all always posting single, but you never posting ran through. Advertise the whole you. I had a question. Since y'all dudes know so much about a good woman, why y'all ain't get one pregnant? All of your baby mamas are scumbags, but you know so much about a good woman. I'm convinced y'all don't even like women no more. Every day is women ain't this, women ain't that. Y'all be arguing with women online from sun up to sundown. Bro, that's not masculine energy. That's menstrual behavior. Y'all talk more than your baby mama group chat. Get a hobby, touch some grass, or an application or something. And fellas, stop talking about females today is fake. Sir, your beard is fake. The whole thing looked like it came with an Amazon receipt. You got the nerve to be talking about a woman's lace front when your lineup glued tighter than her edges. Then you got the alpha males, the ones that be screaming,
I'm the prize.
baby, no you're not. You're a narcissist. You're toxic. You live with your mama and you can't even parallel park. Shut up. You trying to lead a woman but can't even lead yourself out of debt. Y'all swear y'all alphas, but y'all out here arguing in comment sections like y'all in a group chat called Bitter Boys Anonymous.
She don't submit.
Boy, you don't even apply. Talk about you a king, but your mattress still sitting on the floor. You leading from a futon. Tyrone, humble yourself. Half of y'all talk more about feminine energy than the women do. Y'all in y'all soft girl era, for real. Mad cause she ain't text you good morning. Boy, go light your candle, write in your journal and let it go. Got the nerve to say,
I deserve to be spoiled too.
okay, Barbie, go get your pink slippers and your iced coffee and sit this one out. See, old school men used to fix cars, build houses, and protect their family. These new dudes cry if their girlfriend don't like they post in less than 5 minutes. Riddle me this. How you claim you the leader of the pack, but you still asking your mama to co-sign your car note? Y'all be screaming,
I'm the prize.
nah, baby. You the participation trophy. You ain't even a man. You a manthem. Half man and half tantrum. This new generation of dudes want to be pampered, not partnered. They want matching robes, matching bonnets, and matching trauma. A man ain't supposed to match the energy of a woman. You are the head. You are supposed to lead, and the woman follow. And these podcasts ain't making it no better. It's like the blind leading the blind. It's like a daycare for delusional men. Every episode, women don't cook, women don't clean. Boy, you don't pay bills. The only thing you leave is a pack of lies and dirty laundry. Y'all really out here letting the internet tell y'all how to live and love. And y'all be listening. But look, the real ones, they out there. They quiet. They handle business. They make a woman feel safe. Not the ones crying for clout and wearing purses. The truth is, a real man don't have to tear a woman down to feel powerful. They protect. They provide. These new boys, they pout. They post and they project. And cousin, before I close this one out, if you a man still blaming women for why your love life ain't working out, maybe it's time to look in the mirror and tell your reflection, bruh, it's not her, it's you. Now go wash them crusty hands before you write another think piece about females. See, baby, let your favorite cousin Luck tell you something. We done reached a point where everybody want to be the prize, but don't nobody want to do the work to be worth the prize. These new men hollering about soft life like they trying to be sponsored by Bath and Body Works. Talk about energy, vibe and high, and crystals, but ain't got no car insurance, no savings, and no sense of direction. And ladies, don't you go trading your peace for potential, okay? Cause potential don't pay no bills, and love don't fix no food. If he wanna be treated like a Barbie, let him go sit in a dream house by himself. Real leadership ain't about control. It's about consistency. It's about making a woman feel safe enough to be soft, not stressed enough to turn savage. Love her right so she can love you better. But only a wise man will understand that concept. Play your cards right. Oh, and another thing, ladies. If a man can't lead you with love, protect you with purpose, or provide peace instead of problems, then baby, he's not the one for you. He's just a loud lesson in a fitted cap. So yeah, your favorite cousin Luck said it. 2025, we ain't building no more men. No more projects. No more maybe he'll change. Unless that man wear diapers, you can't change a man. We want grown men, not grown boys with microphones and a big ego. Now go pour you some coffee, sis. Fix your edges and remember, God don't fix no mess. And honey, neither should you.